everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with a collective haul from Dollar Tree. These are a few purchases that I've done throughout the past few weeks. And yeah, so I finally managed to collect enough items to make a video. So I have been repurchasing and purchasing this for a while. These are 2.5 storage bags. These measure 14 by 3/8, and I believe it's 16. So of course, you guys, we can use these for our crafting paper. So this is how I am storing these now. I was collecting them in some Ziploc, not Ziploc bags, but like storage bags that look something like this. And I do love these. These are amazing, but they can only hold so much. So, and yeah, and sometimes they're bulky. So this is kind of nice because, of course, I can just put my collections in here and put all my scrap papers and put them away. So that's how I am storing my paper now, for now. And we'll see what I decide in a few months. I also ended up repurchasing this tissue. Our household needs tissues all the time, so Dollar Tree has these, but as soon as they put them out, they are gone. So I am so happy to have found some, so yay. And then I also found some of these. I do love the black ones. There's some black ones, and these are also nice. These are soft, and for those people that are, you know, for kids, these are good, but also for older people like myself now, for thinning hair. These are nice because these are soft, you guys, so nice to have. So there you guys go. And then I found these, you guys. I finally found some of these. So I know they have, I believe, yellow, green, and blue. I was only able to find the pink one, and I got the last two that I found at my Dollar Tree. So nice, amazing. So I also found me these right here, you guys. These are so darn as cute. These are erasers, you guys. I found these, and they do have, what is it called, unicorns. They had some jungle animals, I believe, and they had food, and they had some other one, I believe, but I was only attracted to these, so I just got these. I had these, what is it called, these are like the screw on, so you could use for items such as this right here. And so I went ahead and screw that in there, you guys. Can you guys see? I screwed that in there, and yay, I could use these for my charms. And that's the reason I got these, because I thought they were cute, and I figured I could use these, you know, like I said, for charms, for, you know, dangling something out of, you know, an item. So that's why I got these. So now I can put these away and get rid of the packaging. I'm gonna go do the same thing to that. So nice thing to have. And then found these, you guys. So these are tins, foil tins. Basically, you could put your cookies, your crafty items for your crafty friend in there. So I found me two, so yay. So also, what else did I find? I found this flat quarter fabric, you guys. This, I believe it's a repurchase. This I had not seen, so I was really excited because I've been working on a bee project for a while, and yeah, it's taking longer than I had expected, but it's going. And of course, I found me this book. I believe this is also a repurchase. And then I do love the idea of the little dots right here. So cute. Oh my goodness, that is cute. What else did I find? I found these right here. I know there was a crafty friend that was doing a poo themed challenge. I believe she was asking for poo items, and I do not remember who that was. So, but you know, in case that comes up, or her challenge might have been over by now. So anyways, found these right here. Nice to have. Yay. I found these headbands. I also found what there was light blue, light pink. Got me one of these. And I think they're getting ready for Valentine's already, you guys. So wow, that's coming up soon. Found me this what is it called? Micro needle facial roller. If you guys have used one of these, let me know. I'm just wondering. I haven't taken that out. But anyways, and I also found these cute little bags. This is a 9x7. How cute are these? I love the Merry and Bright on them. I did see the one that had a Christmas tree and a snowflake. Wasn't too attracted. I liked this one. This one was cute. Also found me these little ones that are 6x4, and these have a nice candy cane. Here you guys go. And then this one that has the snowflake, and this one is cute, I think, as well. I think this one you could just, you know, if you have a Cricut or something, you could probably put a person's name on here. You could, I mean, you could do so many things with all these right here. But I only got me these because, of course, you know, try not to have so much. And then, you guys, my find of the week, or anyways, I had seen these on YouTube videos. Everybody was like raving over them, and I was like, oh, looked for mine. I'm still looking for that what is it, rotary, I can't even talk, that turntable, the turntable, or the spice turntable, and I haven't found that one. But I was so glad when I found this one, and then I saw it and I was like, I don't really need it. Why am I gonna get it? I passed it on, and then I saw them this week again, and I was like, you know what? Don't really need them. Don't need them. And then I looked at them, and I was like, you know what? What can fit here for us crafters? I figured maybe our ribbon. If somebody else has already done this, yeah, I haven't seen your video, or I haven't paid attention. So I was really excited because my ribbon could go here, and I could just pull it out like this. So excited. I'm just going to be putting my ribbon in here, like I said. And I did get me two, so I'm not too sure if I'm going to stack them on top of each other or how I am going to work it. But yeah, anyways, that is it for my Dollar Tree collective haul. You guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.